Yiddish represents many, many years, centuries of Jewish life and culture and literature and philosophy and all kinds of things like that. I think it's important to preserve it, even if it's on translation, which always loses something, but even if it's translation, just the fact that we know about what Yiddish once was, and being able to have at least a few people that speak it. I know that there's a whole Orthodox community that communicates in Yiddish. Somehow I don't see that the same Yiddish that I tend to equate with a shtetl. Again, that may be my biased and sort of jaded view, but sort of doesn't feel the same when I hear them talk, partly because of their accent also, but it doesn't resonate with the same tam is the same flavor that Yiddish once has when I heard my parents or grandparents speak it.